Did an elderly Bellevue man have a hand in the deaths of thousands of innocent people during World War II?
The Justice Department says yes, and now wants him kicked out of the country.
We have team coverage tonight, including the man's alleged past and the political leaders who want him prosecuted.
We begin with Como 4's Luke Ducey's live in Bellevue. Luke?
Yeah, Mary, the Department of Justice claims that Peter Egner was just 19 years old when he started serving with a Nazi killing unit in Serbia. If he is stripped of his citizenship now at age 86, he'll have to go back. Peter Egner is accused of volunteering in 1941 to serve in a Nazi killing unit, just like these, operating in Serbia. Federal investigators claim he participated in the deaths of more than 17,000 Gypsy and Jewish men, women, and children. The Justice Department's complaint against the 86-year-old says, as admitted, Egner worked as an interpreter in interrogations of political prisoners. Interrogations that involved severe torture, often followed by execution. Egner now lives with his wife in this Bellevue retirement community. He became a U.S. citizen in 1966. The Justice Department says, however, when that happened, he failed to mention any SS involvement, and now they want to use that to kick him out of the country. Neighbors say since the story broke, they have no idea where Egner is. When investigators find him, he could be deported to live right next to the very concentration camp, Semlin, where investigators say Egner's unit committed countless atrocities. Human rights groups like the Anti-Defamation League are applauding the move.
What this reminds us of is the tragedy and the heartbreak of the Holocaust, and that we live with it still.
Now, one allegation that the Justice Department does not make is if Egner committed himself any of those 17,000 murders. For now, the Justice Department just wants him to leave the country, never to return. Live in Bellevue, Luke Ducey, Como 4 News.
Thank you, Luke.